Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the headset ready and the scanner available. Put the headset on, open the VR Home and the app that supports QR scanning. This gives access to the camera or built-in scanner. Once done, grant camera and browser permissions so the device can capture the code. Make sure your hands are free or use controllers to steady the view. You do this first because an unready headset or blocked permission prevents any scanning success, so resolve these basics now. Now you perform the detailed execution. Frame the QR code squarely in the virtual viewfinder and keep it steady. Move the headset or the code so the pattern fills about 1/3 to 1/2 of the view. This ensures the camera captures enough contrast for decoding. Make small adjustments for focus and reduce reflections by angling the code slightly. If available, switch to higher resolution or manual focus in the app, because sharper input speed. Finish by confirming the scan result and following the on-screen action. You'll get a tone or a link to open. If nothing happens, try practical fixes. Wipe the headset lens, boost ambient light, reduce glare, or change distance slowly until the scanner reads. Once you get the content, make sure to accept any permissions before proceeding. If problems persist, capture a screenshot and scan from your phone, because external capture often succeeds when in-headset scanners fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.